Oh hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've been on here. We've moved. It took a month, it took a while, that's why I've been gone. So long that there's now a new Truly. Welcome to the new kitchen, where all my new videos are gonna be. And with a new house and a new kitchen, new appliances. So that's what this video is, new appliances. We needed a new air fryer because I chucked the other one out because it sucked. The woman behind the camera decides to tell me she wants a real bougie white and gold one. So with the help of you guys and watching all of my videos and watching the ads, I was able to buy a new one and it came finally. So let's go look at it. This is a big one. We're doing an unboxing. Unboxing of the new air fryer. Oh boy. Yep. I'm gonna get it out. Lord, would you just look at it? Good God. Drew Barrymore. What a cool lady. Oh, it is Drew Barrymore, look. One of the reasons why we went with this one was because there was no reviews, there was no videos on this specific brand or specific air fryer, which you could say, not really a smart move to buy it, but I can make a video out of it and I can monetize it, so why not get it? But I have not heard anything bad about these, so we're gonna check it out and I'm gonna do the video on if it's good or not. Wow, this really is about the same size as the box. So, there was nothing else in the box. It was really just this. Wow, would you just look at this bougie ass air fryer. If this isn't gonna match our kitchen, I don't know what is. Because if you can't tell, there's a lot of white going on. And then we're gonna have gold. And then when we're done, it's gonna be gold and stuff, and gray and all the cool colors. Kind of like this. Cool, it's really, really white. Golden knobs. Let's see the inside. Maybe not, it's taped. Can't do it, it's taped. Take a little sneak peek. Oh, it's filled with stuff. Apparently this is a tri-zone, meaning you can cook 3 different ways, which is kind of misleading because it just means since there's 2 spots, you can cook some here, you can cook some here. That's 2, right? But if you take this middle thing out, that's the 3rd one. It's 2. You got a book full of stuff, probably something I should read. Ah, what the hell is this? I guess this is a little grease tray to go down in there. Oh, what's nice is there's little rubber pieces to make it so it doesn't slip around. So far, you guys, this is some quality built stuff, Drew Barrymore. Okay, okay. Put that down in there like so. Boom. That's what your inside of your pan looks like. Sweet. Anything else in here? One of the main reasons why I threw out our old air fryer, it was the emerald one. It was a door, it was like a toaster oven style. It was trash. Took an hour to cook wings. It took like 30 minutes to do anything else that shouldn't take that long. And it just sucked, and it was real dirty all the time. And this looks like it could get dirty because it's white, but it's a drawer style, and I hear those are better. Let's see. Ooh, does it look good? Look at that. Whoa! Everything is touch screened. There's no actual buttons. You got air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, dual cook. How do you dual cook? Oh, you can, what does that mean? Seems I'm gonna have to read the manual. We're gonna go with just oh! Temperature. You can adjust the temperature on each side, which seems like it wouldn't work because it's all one thing, but we're gonna find out because I'm gonna cook a bunch of stuff in it. So I read the directions and Drew Barrymore says that I need to wash these before using them, which is actually good information. It says it on the instructions, so that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, so the crisper trays have been thoroughly washed with hot soapy water as for what Drew Barrymore told me to do. I'm gonna throw these hot things back in here. It really is a solid seal because of the rubber around these things. Beautiful. Throw that back in here. Honestly, first impressions, just based off of the look of it, I'm gonna say it looks pretty sick. I can't lie, I was skeptical at first when she said she wanted this. I was like, I don't know, it's Drew Barrymore. I don't even really know what movie she was in. It's from Walmart. Is it really something reliable? I don't know yet. We don't know yet. But at least I can say the build quality is really good. It looks really good. And it's cooler than all the other air fryers I was considering to get. And it's bigger than that. It cost $140 some odd dollars. Thanks again, YouTube ad money. But the only way to tell if it's worth anything or not is to cook in it. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna cook a few different things. First thing, wings. Okay, so as the directions state, chicken wings, 2 pounds. Probably not 2 pounds, 1.5 pounds. But it says for 2 pounds, it'd be 400 degrees, 22 to 27 minutes in a single zone. If it's the tri-zone, I guess which means the entire basket, it would actually take 40 to 45 minutes. Don't know why, that doesn't make any sense. But we're gonna try it with a single zone because we only have 10 wings in here. Which, if you didn't know, it's 2022, very difficult to get wings and chicken at all. So I'm gonna enjoy these. Hopefully, Drew Barrymore. So let's see if I can turn this thing on. Bow. Air fry. Air fry, thank you. All right, we're at 400 degrees. Time, we said 27 minutes. All right, let's say, do I hit start? Start. I said hit start. Am I missing something? Oh, maybe you go. Start. Huh! Okay, some nice air coming out of the back of this thing right now. Cool. Honestly, I think I should have put the the chicken in here. All right, ooh, it auto stops. That's good to know. So we're gonna throw these nice little chicken wings. Oh my God, the flats, top tier. I put a little bit of the peasant ones, the not flats. And we're gonna go this side. These are 10 pretty big wings too, and we're gonna see how good it is. Also, since I've seen a lot of wing videos and people in the comments always say the same stupid crap because they think they know what they're doing, no, you don't have to season wings before you deep fry them or before you air fry them. You don't have to. Honestly, if you're gonna deep fry wings and you season them, you're gonna burn the seasoning off. You're not supposed to do that. You could season air fried ones, that's fine, but we're putting buffalo sauce on them afterwards, so it's not necessary. But it's also stupid to season wings before you deep fry them. So for everyone that goes, you didn't season it, you're done. So we got all them wings, we're throwing her back in, all right? Ooh, and then it just starts back up. We got our time, 26 minutes, 42 seconds. We're gonna see how good it fries, and I hope it does a good job. I just hope. It just keeps going, even if it ends. There's no ding. I think I need to turn that on. I didn't know that, but it's done. That was 27 minutes. We're gonna see if it fried our wings. And also, if you didn't know, this gets warm, but it doesn't get super hot. It's actually like, you can just touch it and it's warm. But it's not gonna burn you, just warm air. Cool, let's see, here we go. Ooh, it stopped, all right. Ooh, 1 round in the fryer. We gotta see how fried they are. A few test clicks. All right, oh, okay now, I need a knife. All right, we're gonna do the knife test. Listen. That's pretty crispy. For 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, 20 minutes, it's pretty crisp. Is it as fried as I'd want them to be? Nah, they could go on for another couple minutes, I ain't gonna lie. But I mean, for any normal wing goer, this is it. This is good. I am pleasantly surprised. The other air fryer could never do this. Yeah, see, they're not fully crispy the way that I'd be about, but they're like 90% there. I'm gonna flip them over. I'm gonna give them a solid, like, I don't know, 10 more minutes and see how they come out. I like my wings real crispy, okay? I don't want them to be like jerky, but I do want them a little more crisp. But so far, very impressed by Drew Barrymore's beautiful air fryer. Here we go. Power, I gotta hit it again. Air fryer, absolutely not 20 minutes. All right, can I not have 20 minutes? Oh, I can only go up? Nothing works anymore. Oh no. So right now we're having a little issue. The buttons don't work. Like, nothing works. Obviously, you can't turn the time up when it's going. Oh, I could. So time can go up, but it doesn't go back down. And then I can't pause it. Oh, there we go. Now I hit it 1,000 times and then it starts working. Okay, so apparently I'm just not pressing it correctly. Let's see, all right. If I go like this, it's not doing anything. But if I put my hand on the top, then it starts to do it. Look at this, it works. If you touch it in 2 places, nothing makes sense.
No. If you do it like this.
That doesn't make any sense.
And you hold it, you're holding it.
Do I not have fingertips? My fingertips are not working. Okay, all right, now it's going. Okay, now it's going down. So basically, what we learned is, I was talking shit about it. Drew Barrymore came in here in spirit and told me to shut my mouth. All right, let's see. I'm gonna hit start and see if it starts. It started. Disregard my anger. Seems like it's done. It's been on for 10 minutes. Okay, let's check it out. All right, it's still going. I don't know why it does that. Maybe it's like a cool off method. I don't know. Oh my God, okay, now they're done. Now they're ready. If you can't tell, those are some golden, delicious bad boys, all right? This is the way I like the wings to look. Look at these. Listen to that. Hear that? You hear that crisp? Oh, here we go. We're throwing them in here. Listen to that. God, minimal residue. And as you guys know, if you don't know about air fryers, look at all this. Look in here. Take a look in here. See all this? That's extra fat and bullshit that's on the bottom. Look at all that grease that came off them wings. We didn't add any fryer oil. You don't do that with air fryers. Take a look at these. Look at these wings. Look how good that looks. All right? Let's take a. They're real hot still, but whatever. Look at that. They're top tier. This is some top tier wings, and I'm actually really happy about it. So that took probably 35 minutes if we're really thinking about it to get it like this. But the 28 minutes that they said, I mean, that's passable if you don't care, but I like them a little more crispy. It beats an hour, okay? Because the one that we were using before, Emeralds, took an hour to make wings and I hated it. It was like 30 minutes and then you had to open it, flip them all over, another 30 minutes, and they still didn't come out this golden delicious. It was just kind of like dry. I'm using Moore's buffalo sauce. It's one of the best flavors. I would make my own, but why when Moore's is here and it's great? So we're gonna sauce these hot boys up, you know? It's a good medium hot sauce. It's not super spicy. It's just good. Those are top tier. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. All right, let's plate these bad boys up. If this doesn't make you guys want some wings right now, I don't know what will. All right, let's get a little drip action. Good Lord. Look at that, Drew Barrymore. Making wings in my house, kind of. What are we even talking about here? You did a good job, air fryer. We're talking about air fried wings. It's better than Buffalo Wild Wings if I got to tell you something. All right, we got to give the wings a try, obviously. They look fantastic. This is the way I like pub wings, you know? You go to a nice beer place, AKA a bar, you get some wings. And then this is my trick right here. You got the flats, and I just pull pieces off. Oh my God, it's so hot. And then I can dip it in the ranch. That's it. They're fantastic wings. I am not surprised Drew Barrymore did it. Let me explain something. This, when people do this, it's dumb because it gets on the part that's just dumb. All right. Also, when people put the whole wing in their mouth and pull it all out, sus, 1, 2, it's not impressive. You eat wings like a normal person. You take the meat off one side, like that. And then you got a nice piece of meat from the wing, and then you can boop, 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 dip in your ranch. And only ranch, not blue cheese. We don't do blue cheese around here, just ranch. You that crunch? Fantastic. That's the way you do wings, all right? So in conclusion, apparently Drew Barrymore knows what she's doing when creating an air fryer, because this is actually about 1,000,000 times better than the other air fryer we had, which was again the Emerald one. That is I don't know what it's called, but I don't like it. I'm not a fan. Is it gonna get dirty? Maybe, but hopefully it's easy to clean. I don't know, but all I know is it made wings fantastically in a very reasonable amount of time. I thought the buttons were broken. I was proven wrong. The buttons are fine. It doesn't have a weird smell. I heard the Instapot air fryer had a very bad smell. This, nope, just smelled like chicken. Yeah, so there's my review. I think it's top tier. I proved it with wings. I'm gonna prove it again in the next episode. I'm gonna make roasted vegetables and chicken parmesan for the next video. I'll probably put that up, hopefully in a week. I'm sure it'll be up in a week. If you wanna see that, how I make very simple chicken parmesan with roasted Italian vegetables, stay tuned for that. But hey, it's 2022. New place, new house, new things, new videos. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna try and stick to the schedule. We're gonna see. This has my stamp of approval. If this is what you want, comes in different colors, I recommend it. It's kind of cool looking. And you know what? It's beautiful. Thanks, Drew Barrymore. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.